What do you have to say?
Actually, last month I specifically informed the Nigerians and the Umu Chineke that today I will be unveiling Legal Iroko, who we also we are bringing in to fortify the team and lead us going forward. So it has been my mentor for years and has been working with me behind the scene on this matter. Today we are unveiling. Of course, you know, yesterday the federal government filed an amended charge of 15 counts, which count as us. Apparently, an indication that they are not serious to prosecute this matter, because the 7-count amended charge they filed last year has been challenged effectively. Selected for hearing today on objection to use of the court to entertain the charge. Only yesterday they ambushed us. So it's a demonstration of the fact that these guys have no case against our client. It's not that about it. They have other applications we intend to entertain, proceed with. So and possibly react to the charge they filed yesterday. In fact, I can assure you that they won't even the amended list. It's more frivolous in nature, unfounded, what most scream as what you can never imagine. So we are going to address it in the fullness of time and make sure we're on the merits and file and next agenda will take it up. Thank you so much.
Okay, sir. Your client is
in court. Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Okay.
Thanks for checking out Symphony on YouTube. Please be sure to subscribe and like our videos for updates.